The Coach Chelsea Shoulder Bag 36 is a beautifully designed, minimalist piece that strikes the perfect balance between relaxed bohemian slouch and polished New York sophistication. Known for its generous proportions and incredibly soft drape, handbag highly sought after by those who appreciate understated luxury. The Chelsea 36 bag is crafted for the modern, busy lifestyle where versatility is key. Unlike highly structured bags that can feel formal or stiff, this bag features natural, soft-grained leather or velvety suede paired with a soft suede lining. The Coach Chelsea Shoulder Bag 36 in the name represents its approximate length in centimeters, roughly 14 inches. It is classified as a large shoulder bag.
Let's switch bags today. I cannot say enough good things about this Coach bag. This is the warm brown and it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that leather interior. It is the perfect everyday bag. It has a zipper and I just added that chain right there. She is luscious, perfect for fall. So if you haven't gotten her, what are you doing? I have my makeup bag. It's gonna go in there. Look at all that room I still have. This is my perfume little bag. It has so many tiny perfumes because I am that obnoxious person that always smells really good. Maybe too strong, I don't even care. I rather smell like that than body odor, you know? I have this one because you never know. More perfume, red lippy, more perfume, vitamin C, which by the way, flu season's around the corner. This is the best you can find. It's in my LTK. Sunnies, these are so freaking good. Look at that. I love the shade of these and the shape. It's gorgeous. So these are gonna go in here. My Coach wallet. More sunnies because you never know what mood I'm gonna be in. Contact solution and ligas because if I need to pick my hair up, I need to have these handy. And there's nothing here. Moving out of this one, look at all of that room. Everything I put in there, I swear to you, this bag is like a Mary Poppins bag because it doesn't look huge, but it holds so many things. This is the way she looks on. She's just gorgeous. Coach is just doing its thing. And if you have not gotten your hands on this baby, you need to before fall starts. She's beautiful. Happy shopping.